We'll guide you through how to turn off notification in Duolingo. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Duolingo app on your smartphone or tablet and log into your account if you are not already signed in. Wait for the main home screen to finish loading completely before moving to the next step. Tap the three dots icon located at the bottom corner of the screen to open more account options and features. Click on the profile option and open your profile page. Then look for the settings option near the top section of the app. Tap the gear-shaped settings icon in the top corner to access the complete settings menu for your account. Scroll through the settings menu carefully until you find the notifications section listed among the available options. Tap on notifications to open the notification account page and review the different notification categories available inside the app. Turn off reminders for daily lessons if you no longer want practice alerts appearing on your device throughout the day. Disable streak notifications if you do not want reminder messages about maintaining your current learning streak. Turn off friend activity notifications if you no longer want updates and activity alerts from other Duolingo users. Disable promotional notifications to stop receiving special offers, announcements, and marketing-related messages from the application. Return to the main settings page after making all of your preferred notification changes within the app. If needed, open your phone's system settings app to manage additional notification controls outside of Duolingo itself. Go to the Apps and Notification setting on your smartphone or tablet and locate the list of installed applications. Find Duolingo in the list of installed apps and turn off notifications completely if you want to block every alert. Exit the settings menu and reopen the app to confirm that all notification changes were saved correctly. Check your device for a few minutes afterward to make sure unwanted alerts and reminders no longer appear on your screen or in your notification panel during regular daily use afterward.